on number 4, they want us to find the inverse tangent of negative square root of 3. And tangent is y over x. So I need to take a look at the unit circle. And this is negative, so it's going to be quadrant 4, or as I like to call it, the first negative quadrant, because we're actually thinking about it going in reverse. And this is really where does y over x equal negative square root of 3. So I'm looking at the first negative quadrant, so from 0 to negative pi over 2. I'm looking for an angle here. So it's actually going to be these ones here, because if you take negative square root of 3 over 2 and then divide that by 1/2, then those 2's are going to cancel out and you're going to get negative square root of 3. So that would look like, I don't have much room here, you would have like negative square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2 is the same thing as multiplying by 2 over 1, and those would cancel out and get you that. So my answer is not 5 pi over 3, but it's going to be a negative pi over 3. So that would be the, up here it's positive pi over 3, down here it would be negative pi over 3. So with the inverse sine and inverse tangent, be really careful with those, because if it's negative, meaning if this is negative here, then it's in quadrant 4, but it's really the first negative quadrant. With cosine inverse, you don't need to worry about it, because cosine inverse is just 0 to pi. It's just the traditional first and second quadrant. It's only with sine inverse and tangent inverse, because of how we defined it, that you need to be careful with it. Okay, so sine inverse of 0, again sine is y. Take a look at the unit circle, and where is y equal to 0? It would be right here at 0. So this is 0.